Hello, chemistry students. What I wanted to do is go over how to find the daily agendas in Canvas. And I thought that I would just create a video here so that you can return to it if you need a refresher. So what we're looking at here is my dashboard. This is being recorded on Monday, April 6th. And so I've got the remote learning schedule for the week here. I'm going to scroll down so that you can see all of my tiles for each of my Canvas courses. And since this is chemistry, I'm going to click on chemistry. All right, here we are. So at the top of your chemistry page, you should see the three most recent announcements that I have here. And so let's take a look at our announcement that I posted for Remote Learning Day. That's what RLD stands for Thursday, April 2nd. And this was the whole class. So this indicates that we started off with a whole class meeting. But if you click here, this announcement tells you to go here for today's agenda. So all that you have to do is click on this link, and then it takes you directly to our agenda. And so here you can see the purpose, needed supplies that I thought would be helpful, description of the task. The very first thing that you should do each day is fill out the attendance sheet. And so I have a link here so that you can access that. And then as a whole class, I first described our organic chemistry quiz assignment, which I wanted you to submit as a Flipgrid video. So why don't we go into that assignment? Because I know that a few of you have emailed me about how you don't know how to find Flipgrid. If you notice in your menu bar that's here on the left, Flipgrid, like the word Flipgrid is gone. And that's because I want you to access Flipgrid through the assignment itself. And so you have to click here on the button that says load this in a new window. And so when we click here, now we're going to be taken to the Flipgrid page, and yours is probably going to look a little bit different from mine, but there I am. And then I can see, because I'm the teacher, I can see all of these responses, but yours should be hidden. And so then all that you need to do, I believe you should have like a large green button here with a plus sign in it, and you just have to click there, and you're able to begin recording your video. And I'm just going to close out of this and go back. Your questions that you needed to answer are sent to you in a Canvas message. So what I did is I came over here to the inbox and I sent each of you a separate quiz paper. So those are the questions that you are supposed to answer. And so I've sent that to everybody, and that's what you need to do. There is another way for you to find the agendas. I'm going to go back to the home page here in Canvas. And I just want to show you another way that you can access this if for some reason you don't want to access the announcements. But you can go into modules. And when you go to modules, the very top module that you should see says remote learning. This is where I'm going to put all of the agendas that are done throughout this remote learning period. And so if you scroll down, again, I've got some things here that are unpublished, so you're not going to see those things, but here is the remote learning agenda that was for Tuesday, March 17th. And here's the other portion of March 17th. This is March 19th. This is March 24th. I've got the videos here from March 24th. in case you needed to go back and review those. RLD March 26th, and so on and so on and so on. And I also threw the organic chemistry packet in there, but I'm going to be moving that back down to my organic chemistry module in a little bit. Always, if you need to find attendance, that is here. It says start here, attendance. And then this is today's independent enrichment. So, again, the independent enrichment activities are things that you can do as long as you are up to date with all of your assignments. But if you're not, then you need to finish those assignments first, and then you can come back here and take a look at the independent enrichment activity. This is for today, April 6th. This is actually a video that I created about balancing equations. So that would always be a really nice resource for you if you need review. So that's all that I've got for you right now. I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to access our agendas for the day. And just remember that I link all of our activities to those agendas. So all you have to do is find that agenda, and then it tells you exactly what we did on each day. That's all that I've got. I hope you guys have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions.